seeing them. So that thing I like. So I started exploring different farms. And I used to go for 3 months, 4 months in a year to different farms. And even for different workshops to learn, I also started learning many things. So I started doing upcycling. So I started to make jewelry. I started to make different things out of waste and all. So again, if there is workshops anywhere in Shikshantar or somewhere there, so I used to take them together everywhere. So they used to meet people. They used to meet different people, and there are many people who come to our place also. Our home was always open for everyone. So everyone, so many people used to come and stay at our place. So they had lots of friends, not that, but उनके एज के कोई बच्चे फ्रेंड्स नहीं थे, बट बड़े. First friend of theirs was like age of 24, Ajay Bhatt. He was 24 years old. He came to our place. He stayed there. Kudrat was so much friendly when he learned Hindi from him, how to speak Hindi, how to write and read Hindi. He started learning, but he did not like to write, so he did not write at that time. पढ़ना भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था, but he started little bit. So then I'll just come to the age of 10. I also started attending different workshops. So I also take to them. So, and wherever we used to go, we have to see how the family is living there, right? The way we have to adjust. So children came to know how to adjust with different families and how to make relationship. Right? So that was a very good part of life for me, to explore with children, traveling. And traveling also we used to see कि कैसे minimum में travel कर सकते हैं. तो वो ट्रेन में जाते थे और local buses में travel करते थे. Then that also they got to see that local people के साथ travel कैसे करते, because go to MP local buses, it was very difficult. For Ajanmir तो it was okay, I could see it was comfortable, but Kudrat थोड़ा ऐसा था कि मम्मी this. Like, okay, fine, it was 4 hours. Okay. And then other thing is like, no, I always had that healthy food का थोड़ा मेरे mind में होता था. So I never used to give them chocolates and chips बहुत सारा. So but they had, while traveling, it was there. Mummy, chips ka packet, abhi to. It was like, okay, fine, no problems. So while traveling, I used to give them thoda sa, very little chips ka packet and all. Abhi to I cannot control. It's out of question. So then wo cheez, then by the age of 10, Kudrat started traveling by his own. There was no phone also. When everybody was going crazy on me कि बच्चे को अकेले travel करने भेज रहे हो. I said, fine, let him learn. So from here to he went to Nasik. First time he had gone to Abhivyakti to learn Warli art. Then even Manish Jain, even Nasik में this Nitin also was, सुबी क्या कर रहे हो, छोटे बच्चे को कैसे भेज रहे हो? I think it's okay, don't worry. बस में बिठा दिया and just he reached there because there was no cellular phone नहीं था उसके पास. तो बाजू में आंटी बैठी, उसके उनके साथ उसके फ्रेंडशिप बना लिया. तो आंटी के पास से फोन मांगा और मेरे को फोन कर दिया, मम्मी मैं आंटी जो बाजू में बैठी है शी इज वेरी फाइन गुड, उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि जस्ट एंड आएगा तो आई विल टेल यू, यू कैन गेट डाउन. आई सेड ओके फाइन. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. एक ट्रस्ट बिल्डअप होता है, बच्चे का ट्रस्ट हो गया किसी तरह. Good people in the world, it's not that the world is full of negative people. So how to build trust? When we build trust with our children, the children will build with the world. If you're not trusting people, where will the world go? So for me, first thing was trust and faith. When you make relationship, fully trust with the people. Even just now, wherever I go, I just trust people. That is what it is. Trust them. And even when we were a little bit struggling for financial things also, I was like, I know it will happen. कुछ नहीं होगा, आ जाएगा पैसा. It's not a big deal. Money is not a big thing to earn. Money, if you have got skills, we can earn. It's not a big thing, right? But what is a most important thing is in life, we got to understand relationship, then our health, Then comes money for me. Money is a secondary thing. First thing is health and relationship. So just now, when I go to different, just now I came from Udaipur. When I went to Udaipur, I stayed with Manish and Vidhi. It was like everybody in Udaipur. Sumi didi, aap aaye mere ghar pe rahe bina chale gaye. Aap aaye mere ghar pe rahe bina chale. So everybody used to come, take me to that place, then drop me there. So this is what relationship is. It's not just give, 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 give. It's take, give, take, give, take. There are so many things, right? Because we started adjusting with the family as they are. We just started accepting the people as they are. So acceptance is very important. I accepted myself as I am. I am Sumi. I am this. I started accepting Chandresh as he was. I started accepting Kudrat as he was. I started accepting people who was working as they are. I did not start judging them. कि no, ये है, ये है. So ये सब चीजें सीखने को मिलता है. When we start judging, then we cannot live with them. So then when he started, उसका age आया. Then in 2010, Chandresh was like, he did not want to live this life, city life, yeah, sansarik life. He did not want to live. So he said to me, I just want to go for meditation and silence. I don't want to live this life. He was like, हो गया मेरा. I was like, बच्चों को 18 साल तो होने दो यार. It will be very difficult for me. Then he could not, because there also I see that when we give freedom to children, why not to the family? Then why there is a question like husband को freedom चाहिए and why you are questioning so much? Yeah, question करो, but senseless मत करो कि नहीं ये सब पूरा responsibility मेरे थोप पे जाते हो, ये करते हो, वो करते हो. Okay, just cool down. For 6 months I had lots of things happening, these things कि वो normal life के जैसे मेरे भी बहुत सारा कचरा भरा हुआ था कि ये कैसे हो गया, ये हो गया, and everything. But then I came out of it. Yeah, no. Where is your creativity, Sumi? Where is your freedom? What are you thinking? Why are you become so rigid? So I rethought myself. Okay, fine. He wants to go there. Go. Right. The children were also small. He could not ask them because they did not know what is it. Basically, meditation, silence. इतना सब उनका था नहीं दिमाग. दिमाग तो था, but उतना वो level पे नहीं था कि Papa, when he was doing meditation at home also, they were telling, Papa बैठे हैं आंख बंद करके. Okay. They did not know that meditation ये होता है. So that was then I came to know the responsibility. I have to take so much responsibility. These things, children, then financial, everything. He supported me financially for 2 years, and then till that 2 years, then I started facilitating in Swaraj for 4 years. My children also came with me to stay there, and two months में एक बार घर आती थी थोड़े दिन के लिए. Then I used to go again. So Swaraj again, a space open for children where coaches used to come. They started listening to different workshops. They used to sit in the workshop. They used to see कि सुबह से शाम तक क्या क्या हो रहा है और जंगल में. They started making new things. उसमें से then there were so many coaches there, and coaches were also interested to be with them. क्योंकि इनका भी ऐसा था ना, बहुत फ्रीडम है. It was not that कि पढ़ना लिखना ही बहुत बड़ी चीज है. There were other things also, not only subjects. So the values, manners, respect, ये सब चीजें भी. तो वो when how we are respecting to people, the way children will behave. I saw that children's observation बहुत बड़ा होता है. Children observe everyone. They start from parents, then dadi, dada, everybody. So they started observing everyone, and they did by themselves everything. But reading and writing was started for Kudrat at the age of 12.
Yeah, actually he told that, and we were all very surprised to actually know that he started he wanted to learn to read and write because he attended a theater workshop, and we were really shocked that he learned by 12. So from a mother's perspective, how did you take it? Like, how are you so patient for 12 years?
No, means for me, no. When we started unschooling, we came to know that it's children have to be given free time, right? Freedom hai pura freedom. Let them think. There is no timetable, nothing. They have to think that what they have to do the whole day. So reading, writing, I used to read for them storybook. Then also it did not come from them. Okay, I want to read. So then I did not force. If I force, what will happen? The same thing with school. Then I started मुझे थोड़ा तो पढ़ना सीखने की time आएगा. I don't want to read just now. So I said just left because then I cannot force them. Then I used to start reading. I started writing. I thought they'll come to me, but no, it did not happen. Thrice, 4 times, 5 times. I did 10 times the same thing. I said, nahi hoga bhai. I don't want to do that in front of them. Let me do my work. Let them do their work. So they were enjoying their own stuff, doing making different things. No, he did origami, he did mandalas, he did all so many things out of waste. And by the time he started using camera also, so he started making that क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार, again I forgot, stop motioning movies.
Movies,
वो
yeah.
सब छोटे छोटे movies बनाने लगे. So it was not that they were not doing anything, they were doing. And sometimes it was that कि आज कुछ भी नहीं करना हमको, ठीक है, they wish, right? So but and other thing, their room was up. It was, we were ऊपर नीचे रूम है, नीचे किचन है, ड्राइंग रूम और नीचे ऊपर 2 रूम्स हैं. पर उन्होंने देखा है कि मम्मी ऐसे कभी चेक करने नहीं आती है कि क्या करते क्या नहीं. आई नेवर यूज्ड टू डू दैट आल्सो बिकॉज आई हैड ट्रस्ट इन देम, व्हाटएवर दे आर डूइंग दे विल बी डूइंग समथिंग, राइट? तो मैं एक बार जैसे मेरे रूम, मेरे कमरे में ऊपर गई तो दे वर स्लीपिंग बोथ ऑफ देम. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. सो इन द इवनिंग दे ओनली सेड टू मी, आज हमको कुछ नहीं करना था, सो जस्ट वी हैड चिल्ड आउट. Fine, right? So then for food also they started making food with me. I could see that they were learning different skills. खाना बनाते तो they used to come, we'll cut vegetables, we'll do this, we'll do this. Ajay started preparing food with me, so he was interested in making food. So I was okay, fine. So these all things, by the age of 12 he wanted to read and write because of his editing, script writing and all these things, right? So that came, and it was very fast for him. It did not take so much time.
Yes,
So
he
nice,
told
fine.
me.
But Ajanya, he wanted to learn maths. Then he came to me, मम्मी थोड़ा maths मुझे सीखना है, ये numbers क्या है. He saw the numbers in the books, story books में जो number नीचे लिखते हैं ना, that he saw and said, मम्मी ये क्यों नीचे लिखते हैं, what is this? Then I said, this is the numbers, page number 1, 2, 3. Why is it needed? He asked questions, and then he asked me, one day he came to me, मुझे maths सीखना है, numbers सीखना है. So you'll not imagine, it just took 10 minutes for me to make him understand this units, place and hundreds and everything. It did not take more time. He learned that, and third day he's coming, मुझे इसके बाद क्या आता है? Then I said 1 to 100, 1 to 1000, these things. इसके बाद then addition, then subtraction, then multiplication. But stop. Division he did not want to learn. See, मम्मी इतना लाइफ के लिए काफी है. हमने हाँ काफी है. But then I said division. Division भी चाहिए. Right. I said, he said okay. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा सीखा. Then he said, अभी मैं I'll do it myself. So every day he started bringing a page. इसमें मुझे sums दो, मुझे करना है. Right. So this is what happened. This is it. What is, I mean, child, when he wants to do, he comes to us. And by the age of 14, Ajay, this Kudrat said, मुझे physics क्या है वो जानना है. What is physics? What is geometry? Then through origami, he started learning geometry. Angle, then square, these, everything. फिर मैंने देखा कि he from physics में, फिर मैंने उसको पूछा, then he started asking कि कौन से standard से physics आता है. Then I said, when I was in school 9th से आता था, मेरा अभी 6th standard से आता है. So he said, मैं 10th का एग्जाम देना है तो मैं कैसे दूं? And you have to study this all subjects. इतना सारा subjects, oh my god. मम्मी एक सब्जेक्ट 2 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ के देना है मुझे. I want to learn physics और फिर English literature, these things. And then that's not possible, man. That's NIOS में कर सकते हो. There also you have to have subject. इतना सारा पढ़ाई करना पड़ा. He said no way. He saw his cousin's books. He said no way, I don't want to do. Then उसको interest आया quantum physics में. He started reading quantum physics, geometry.
You're on mute.
And he did this, what we say, history का. Then I said, कुदरत तू जगह जगह जाता है तो geography, because I love geography, तो मैं आपको सिखा सकती हूँ. Mommy, geography is so easy. When we go to different places, and now we have got map, mobile map. मैं चला जाऊंगा. You see, I can do it. I said, oh my God, I can't understand. अभी के बच्चे, they are so updated, and what are we? It's too much for me. So subjects का तो issue ही नहीं था then. He started reading and writing, so I was okay, fine. But then maths, Kudrat is zero. Just now also, if you say maths, nahi, he'll never count money. He say, Ajanmay, can you count this for me? Then Ajanmay said कि अगर मैं नहीं होगा तो trust यार, सामने वाला ठीक ही देगा, don't worry. And अगर उसने मुझे कम दिया, इसका मतलब उसको जरूरत ज्यादा होगी, right? So don't worry. वाह, what it is. Means it is that कि they understood कि जब किसी को बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत होती है तो ये सब चीजें होता है. तो ठीक है, if he takes from that, don't worry about it. उसमें बहुत चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है, हो जाएगा. So अभी I can see कि when he started doing his film making, छोटे छोटे films बनाता था every day. He took it very seriously. Then by the age of 18, he started getting projects, छोटे छोटे projects मिलने लगे. And for that projects also, he said, "Mummy, तेरे पहचान वाले में बोल दो ये करो." Okay, I said, मैं बोल नहीं सकती. I can give you the numbers. You just talk to them. Because I did not want them कि यहाँ मैं बताऊँ, मैं बात करूँ, and he gets. He said, I said, I'll give you the numbers. You can talk to them. Then he directly started communicating, directly started contacting. 2-3 लोगों ने, means 2-3 people, they said कि नहीं अभी मेरे पास काम नहीं है. Is my friend only, she was, and she said कि सही में सुमी मेरे पास काम नहीं. It's okay, let him understand, let him learn. It's not a big deal. ऐसे बुरा मत लगाना कि I am not giving. मेरे को कोई बुरा नहीं लगेगा. There is nothing to. He is learning from that. He got a small project from somewhere outside the homeschooling community and unschooling community. He got a project and he did that. He first time earned 5,000. He was so happy. Like, मेरे पास 5,000 रुपए आ गए मम्मी. Then so earning was not important for me. The process of how he got the project was important for me. He started communicating with people. And the other thing is like, no, Kudrat always wanted people around. He did not like to be alone. He wants that public के साथ. So, and if he works also, he wants that साथ में काम करे. He doesn't like to work alone. अभी भी you see there is his friend Ayush there. He doesn't like. अकेले क्या करना, साथ में करते हैं ना. तो वो चीज मजा था, बहुत अच्छा था. And now because of this lockdown, Ajanmay went to meet Kudrat and he stayed there. I thought he'll come back within 2 months because I saw that bonding was very nice. And when Kudrat went to Pondi, when I saw Ajanmay, I saw he was feeling very lonely. He's missing his brother. I saw कि ये कुछ गड़बड़ है भाई. They both cannot live separately. But then he also went there and said, now I'm not coming. I said, what you will do? Then I asked Kudrat, how will you tackle him? क्या करेगा? Mommy, he is fine. I'll talk to him. And I said, he is games खेलता है. मैं इधर हूँ तो I'm seeing के 2 घंटे 3 घंटे. नहीं, he is not playing here. 2 घंटे तो खेलने दो. Why are you not giving freedom? Why are you questioning so much? Kudrat is saying to me. And I said, okay, fine. I'm not questioning. But then he said, देखो मम्मी, if he's gaming also, there are so many other things he's doing. He's doing kitchen gardening. He's doing farming there. He's learning. He is means उसने एक मेंटर ढूंढ लिया है वहां पर जो कुकिंग में ज्यादा उनको आता है. तो he started making lots of chutneys and these. He has learned so many things, and obviously he has learned from you so many things. So he's doing here also, and then he started baking. When I basically started doing health workshops. 7 years I was doing research and I started doing health workshops with millets, how to cook with millets. and using different healthy things at home, using mud pots, there's so many things, no, healthy workshops. Like, so I learned how to use less oil, salad making. I went to Vijaya Venkat, different places, and I took my children there to everywhere, wherever I go, I took my children. I went to Vijaya Venkat, I stayed there for some time and learned so many things. Then I went to different places for healthy learning food. So there also children came. And baking also, I had gone to Hyderabad to Shipra. And there also I learned. Then there also children had come. So they see how mommy is learning different things. So now they also started learning different things, right? So
Uh,
basically, we have to unlearn.
Sumi, I have to point out one thing here. I asked
Yeah.
Kudrat what was that one thing or one suggestion or whatever that a homeschooling parent should know or say. He said
Mm,
you have to live your life. Like, just because you're a parent or just because you're
mm,
unschooling your child, you don't have to do everything for the child. So he said
yeah.
you have to live your life the way you want to do. Only then the child can see that, okay, mama, papa is doing something. I also have to do something. So I can see
Yeah.
that example that you were actually living your life, and that was what actually inspired him or
Yeah.
gave the
Yeah.
backbone for whatever he is today.
That is true. Basically, yes. Wherever I go and learn something, now the children used to see me, that mommy is learning something. It's not that no learning has stopped. So from that, they understood that we can learn lots of things. It's not that the learning has stopped. Now also, I see different things going on. I just go and learn because learning never ends. लाइफ लर्निंग है ये चीज, कुछ ना कुछ आता ही है नया. एंड नाउ डिजिटल थिंग, मैं कितना भी सीखूं मेरे लिए बहुत गड़बड़ है. कंप्यूटर सही में कुदरत और अजन ने मेरे को बोलते मम्मी ये क्या है, इतना चीज नहीं आता, यू नो लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स बट दिस, आई सेड दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी. ये कंप्यूटर पड़ा है 1 साल से, आई एम नॉट एबल टू ऑपरेट इट प्रॉपरली, यू नो. इट्स आई फील अशेम्ड माय गॉड, ये क्या हो रहा है यार, इतना नहीं आता. ऐसे बोल रहे हैं बच्चे मुझे कि इतना नहीं आता. आई हैड टू रिंग सो मेनी टाइम्स टू अजन में, अंजू मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. Mummy, I'll show you a YouTube channel. You go through it, learn from that. Then I started doing that. धीरे धीरे वो भी धीरे धीरे हो रहा है. For me, no, this digital वाला काम बहुत difficult है. सही में मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत बड़ा भार आ गया है मेरे सिर पर. कोई बोलता है कि एक्सेल शीट बनाओ, मतलब ऐसे एक्सेल शीट बनाओ, ये कॉलम्स बनाना, अरे मैं ड्रॉ करके हाथ से बना देती हूँ. नहीं यार, ये क्यों मुझे कंप्यूटर में डाल रहे हो, नहीं चाहिए मुझे. इतना डिफिकल्ट है मेरे लिए, नो टू, ये पता नहीं मेरे से, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. अभी मनीष के साथ मैं काम कर रही हूँ ना, ही सेड टू मी कि एक्सेल में बना देना उसमें. ऐसे देख, मैं हाथ से बना के आई जस्ट फोटो खींच के दे सकती हूँ, पर मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है इसमें. ओके, देन आल्सो आई लर्न, धीरे धीरे कर रहे हो, आई डू इट. पर मेरा पैशन नहीं है इतना कंप्यूटर के साथ.
Yeah,
So,
I mean
then
that
it came,
actually
this mobile came. So difficult to handle this, yeah, you know, there are so many things. और वो दोनों जब आते हैं ना, जैसे कि मम्मी ये ऐप इसमें से है, ये ऐप ये है, एंड इवन माय फ्रेंड्स, क्या सुमी दीदी इतना भी, देख भाई मैं ऐसी हूँ तो हूँ, इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट है मेरे लिए ये प्रॉब्लम. तो मोबाइल इज फॉर मी नो जस्ट व्हाट्सएप, देन सम फेसबुक का वो चीज, एंड ये अदर थिंग्स. तो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड ओनली दिस. ओला का ऐप भी नहीं है मेरे पास, वो ऐप भी नहीं है, देन जोमेटो, ये सब चीजें मेरे पास नहीं है. अमेजोन का ऐप भी मेरे पास नहीं है, क्योंकि उसको ऑपरेट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट काम है. सही में बहुत डिफिकल्ट है.
okay. So may I
So
have to ask you a one
that
very
I have to learn.
I have to ask you one very important question. So are you there?
Yeah,
Please,
yeah, I'm there.
yeah. So one important question that usually
Yeah.
that comes up is this unschooling and homeschooling ka funda is only for people who are rich or financially well established, and their kids can do whatever they want because they don't really are like, even if they're not financially stable, they would think, what will my child do in future if he's not educated? What about his finances? That is one question that is always there. And as you were speaking, at some point of time, you were really not like really financially stable, but you still went through that process of unschooling, you still had that trust.
Exactly.
Can you just tell us how or why or whatever the reasons and beliefs?
Yeah, I'll tell you that. See, when Ajanmya was going to be born, that time we had lots of struggles, So I had gone through so many things at that time. And after he was born also, we had no projects and different types of things. We were like, okay, fine, have trust in the universe. Just go. Then I felt that I have got lots of skills. Then I started taking workshops, and I just had faith in the universe. Okay, when we start working, resources come to us. When we stop our mind, stop our heart, and we don't work and sit, "Ki nahi paisa aayega," no, we start working. We have to faith in ourselves and the universe. It will come. That was what I was like. Nahi, it will come. I know it will come. In this lockdown also, itna tension मेरे को था ही नहीं, because I had savings and I had no. It went on, right? So I never used to have tents for money, तो कभी नहीं, क्योंकि जब भी जरूरत होता था, it was there with me. आ जाता था, कहाँ से भी आ जाता, but it came. So that trust was there. And it is unschooling, homeschooling, it's not for rich people, and that it is for the family and for us. What we are thinking about schooling, the culture of schooling really destroys how, see, you yourself see how the world is, what is the world doing just now, right? How it is destroyed and everything is gone. And our ancestors have given us so many things, but what we are going to give our child? Nothing. We are not leaving anything for them which is really good for the environment, which is really good for them. Yeah. So this is what it is. How rich and poor or more, this middle, this is nothing with homeschooling or unschooling. It's our belief and have faith in ourselves and with this for the society. This society, there are, for me, no system में मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि system बहुत गड़बड़ है, बट सिस्टम में बहुत सारे अच्छे लोग भी हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिस्टम पूरा गड़बड़ है गड़बड़ है. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग नो, but there are many good people in the system. There are many good relationships I have made in the system. तो workshops होते रहे और चलता रहा. That is what, no, we have to learn. We should not stop learning. Stop learning मतलब खत्म फिर, no, because every day you see so many things come new. अभी सस्टेनेबिलिटी को ही ले लो, उसे इको फ्रेंडली वर्कशॉप्स कितने सारे होते रहते हैं, कितने. Then we started thinking about our needs also. Okay, what is our need basically? How much need is there in our life? कितना need है? When 20 years पहले, 10 साल पहले, I needed only 25,000 at home because it was a big family. I needed. And now, if I'm staying alone in Ahmedabad, I just need 15,000. Just need, because my needs are very less. जब जैसे we learn so many things, we understand sustainability, we understand nature. जितना connection nature के साथ होता है, we get to know what are our needs. So we minimalize करते हैं हमारा needs को, and very happily. It's not that forcefully. And other thing is that when I need materials, I have to be so much stressful and do so much of work, and then comes that material which doesn't make me so happy. If for example, just now Kudrat and Ajan mein to theek hai, they need like no washing machine, they need so many things. Okay, it's their need, they want it. Abhi jahan reh rahe, they bought the 10, they did it. They want it. For me, abhi bhi, I don't like washing machine because I feel that pani zyada use ho raha hai, electricity use ho raha hai. So I don't like. I wash my clothes by myself. 2 ही तो कपड़े होते हैं यार, इसमें क्या. और बेडशीट्स होता है 1 हफ्ते में 1 बार धोना, बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. I use my hands, my leg, everything. उतना हमको means we are working, no, our body is doing something. So I like that, but they are not like that. So we sat, we 2-3 days we sat with that need के ऊपर बात करने के लिए. I and my husband, both of us sat and just sorted out our needs, and so many things we did. कि क्या क्या हो सकता है, कैसे करें, how to work, what to work, ये सब चीजें भी हमने डिस्कस किया था. So it was easy for us. कभी इतना difficult times तो आया ही नहीं है. So I would say कि see, when we have got skills, ना life set है, सही है, मस्त है. Yeah.
Okay, that's actually wonderful. I mean, yeah, you know, it's like even if you get a degree from college, you still have to wait for someone to give you a job. But the
Yeah.
moment you are skilled and you are confident, and I mean, you know what you want to do and what you want to get, it's like you don't really have to wait for someone to actually come and give you a job. You can do it on your own self, and you become confident. And I guess,
Exactly.
yes, I could see Kudrat being really excellently confident about the way he is, and yeah, the way he wants his life to be.
Exactly. See, when I when I started doing workshops and all, I got either B.Ed college hai. They started calling me for giving lectures to them. So I was saying there is no degree. Even the teacher said degree nahi hai inke paas. Then also she speaks so confidently and she knows so many things. Then I train teachers also. So it is about the skills, right? So people who know us, they give us work.
Yes.
It's not necessary कि all the schools बुलाए इतना सारा ये हो जाए ऐसा सब नहीं है काम मिलता रहता है because we have not stopped learning and we have not stopped living our life so that is what it is right अभी कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि my mummy is not feeling well so I stop doing work I be with my mummy sometimes so as many times just now so I'm happy with that so there is a time when we don't do work and we are doing something else our priority changes we cannot see that there is uncertainty you understand about that no uncertainty of life
Yeah.
anything comes anytime if we plan for 5 years में तो 5 years के बीच में भी कुछ आ जाता है and we don't know what is it we change even with Chandresh and me also I did not know Chandresh will go for meditation and silence like this so it happened. It's uncertainty. That happened. It's more than 10 years now. I have not met. Kudrat and Ajanya are meeting in just now. So it's okay. So it's not a big deal. And the same thing, no, like when Kudrat was growing old at the age of 13 and 14, boys का मुझे बहुत समझ में आ गया कि they become very irritated. They become very ऐसा होता है कि मम्मी के साथ बैठना ही नहीं है तो गुस्सा आता है. ऐसा सब they understood. This is the youth. They are becoming older. So we have to understand. I have to be very calm I had to be at the age of 13 and 14 I was like कुदरत इतना इरिटेशन मैंने कभी देखा नहीं है तो वो पता चलता है कि वो हार्मोन्स चेंज हो रहा है so these all things now when the child goes to school parents don't see that they don't observe these things why the child is angry why it is irritating because he's growing older his hormones are changing happens same with girls when they start with their periods they get these things so we have to understand that we have to observe them so I was so quiet at the age of 13 14 I was like okay here I have to stop telling anything to them कि ये इसके बाद ये हो सकता है क्या ये करना है क्या no what he was telling me आप है ना लिख के चले जाओ if you are going for a workshop in the morning mummy you just write down what things I have to do I don't want to listen लिख के चले जाओ I'll do it if you just tell me and go I forget okay so okay I started doing that so it was there so when I come back everything was okay I was happy like no so they started sharing so and he then at the age of 14 I did not know how to talk to him about sex and all then at that time I called Chandresh email से बुला लिया कि एक बार तुम कुदरत से आके बात करो then I went to Chhatarpur at that time he came there he talked to Kudrat for 2-3 days about the sexual these things and everything he understood it very clearly हो गया काम right then then Kudrat ne fir then I asked Chandresh at that time how to when Ajanya will be growing you will not if you are not around what should I talk what should these all things happen and then he said to Kudrat कि Kudrat समझा सकता है उसको then also I don't know Ajanya was at that time like mummy चाहिए every time he needed mummy because his father was not there around when he was 4 years he went so after that he was with me he was always give when he was small also एक घंटे में used to come मम्मी है ना ऐसा तो जस्ट नाउ ऑल्सो ही रिंग्स मी, हफ्ते में 3 बार तो उसका अपने आप से कॉल आता है। कुदरत को तो मुझे कॉल करती हूँ, देन ही कॉल्स मी, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं, but it's difference. So then when Ajanmya grew, Kudrat explained him everything, so that also he understood. So it's very difficult for a mother to talk, but it's easy also, it's not so difficult. When by the age of 15-16 boys को अलग चाहिए सोने को, right, that time I was feeling that they used to be awake till 1 o'clock 2 o'clock. I was like नहीं यार ये बहुत ज्यादा हो गया। I said करते क्या हो तुम लोग यार? Then at that time I was sleeping in their room only because other room was full of all paper mache things and all. तो मम्मी, then they used to tell me मम्मी वो रूम साफ करके ना कल से तुम वहीं सो जाओ। So that's it, होता है। I could understand they are growing. So observation parents का बहुत जरूरी है, not to get angry with them and just talk to them, discuss with them, lots of things we can do. So see, they used to question me also sometimes. They used to say we don't need any advices and we don't need any suggestions, we just want you to listen to us. So for that also we should be ready, because I could see that I could never say to my parent कि मेरी बात सुनो, that was never happened. I used to never stand near my father, कभी भी मेरे पापा के, if papa is in this room I'll be in that room, ऐसा था, कभी साथ में नहीं। But I can see how these days parents are being together, so nice it is, they can talk, they can share everything, right? And other thing I was doing is when they used to ask me बड़ा बड़ा चीजें, I used to say no many times. छोटे थे, then I used to not keep furniture at home because I did not want to say no. But then when they grew up, I wanted, मुझे सपोज कुदरत ने मुझे 11 साल में बोला मुझे ये 50,000 का कैमरा चाहिए। I said my boss 50,000 का कैमरा, no way. It's not that we नहीं दे सकते, but no. I said no. Then at that time he got irritated, he got frustrated, he got angry. But I could see him, he took up new thing. He started doing art. That time he learned mandala. So how he diverted that thing into art, that was very beautiful for me. Okay, so this can be also done. So I learned that from him. When we get angry or when we get irritated, we can divert our mind to something and do something different. Don't be in that कि अभी मुझे कैमरा चाहिए, अभी मुझे कैमरा चाहिए, वो भूल जाओ. So it within 1 year he got it, but at that moment नहीं मिला. Right. So then he said मैं कुछ भी मांगता हूँ ना मम्मी, उसका देर हो जाता है मिलने को मुझे. ऐसा क्यों? Why is it that for me? I said there is something like that for you. When Ajanmya asked cycle मांगा तो you just gave him. उसके लिए कोई restriction नहीं. I said पता नहीं ऐसा हो गया. It's not that कि तुझे नहीं देना है, उसको देना है. It's not that. It happened by itself. So he's always seeing that cycle उसका. He needs that thing and that time he will not get. It takes time for him. तो मैं होगा कुछ उसमें भी, there will be something in that. No, take it positive. When the time